A fresh factional storm is brewing within ZANU-PF, following remarks by the party's spokesperson, Christopher Mchangwa, dismissing both the possibility of controversial businessman KUTYA Tagwirei joining the party central committee. Sanabena mashoko buda pangwa inachonekwa kunzi aiwa the ED mnangagwa faction is now fighting for Tagwirei. But subscribe or like on the bell icon. Timna mnamubla in comchinzi. Mchangwa took a veiled swipe at Tagwirei, accusing him of attempting to leverage his wealth to force his way into ZANU-PF's powerful decision-making board. In quotes, "You cannot simply purchase ZANU-PF with your money," Mchangwa said. This party of mass organization emphasizes that we do not vote by electoral colleges, we vote by population. ZANU-PF cannot afford to overlook the importance of appealing to the masses. He warned that the party will not tolerate attempts to buy influence in what appeared to be a direct rebuke to Tagwirei's rumored ambitions. However, the faction aligned to President Emmerson Mnangagwa appears undeterred. Clovis Mkungunugwa, known Mnangagwa loyalist, took to X, formerly Twitter, to assert that Tagwirei's ascension to the Central Committee is inevitable. In quotes, he will eventually become a Central Committee member soon, Mkungunugwa posted. The sharp contrast in public messages highlights deepening divisions within the ruling party as speculation continues to swell around Tagwirei's growing political influence and President Mnangagwa's alleged plans to hand over power to him. Ndo mamiro azvakaita vanopauchonikwa ana Mkungunugwa wanyazozikana kuti aiwa vana Mkungunugwa ma-allies emutungamiri wenyika, and we know even takaona vachireceiva mota from Wikino Chivayo. Panguva ino oyachise public message ekuti Tagwirei aiwa zvese zvingaitika but achazopinda zvake muCentral Committee. Mashoko aruke panguva ino ari kuonekwa kunzi these guys they are now defending aiwa their own ally Tagwirei. Pinda comment section medu kuti zamafunguro enyu muri kudiva musiri kuchiitwa ichi. So subscribe or like, turn on the bell icon.